Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys my winter curly hair routine. I'll show you guys the products that I use in the shower and the ones I use to style and the way I style my hair. So far these are the products that have been working. I do change it up way too much, honestly, but that's just how I do it. So the products that I use in the shower are DevaCurl, and I use the No-Poo cleanser and the one conditioner. The No-Poo cleanser is pretty much a cleanser conditioner that cleanses your hair. You just cleanse your hair without stripping it from its natural oils and all that. I just use a regular shampoo whenever I feel like there's a lot of buildup and I gotta actually get rid of all that. For this wash, I used these two products. The next product that I use is a mask. Since during winter my hair does get super dry, I do have to moisturize it all the time. I like to use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Grow Restore Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture. I really love this mask because I started using it when I was transitioning with my hair, which was 2 years ago, and it's done miracles to my hair. But since this is almost done, as you can see, and my hair is kind of getting used to it already, I've been using the Deep Sea Repair Strengthening Mask by DevaCurl, which is really good. Honestly, anything DevaCurl really works a lot with my hair. It's just like this has worked so far, and this has worked, and I've been using it again since I started transitioning. So those are all the products that I use in the shower. And with all that being said, let's get into the styling process. After I get out of the shower, I use a microfiber towel to dry my hair, or a cotton shirt, works the same. It just helps to avoid breakage and also leaves your hair less frizzy than a regular towel would. Then I start off by using the Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter by OGX. To apply this product, I just flip my head upside down and focus mainly on the ends and the middle of the hair, since that's where my hair needs the most moisture. Then I use some avocado oil, which helps to moisturize dry and brittle hair, and my hair is super dry at the ends, especially during winter. I just take a small amount of the oil and pour it in my hand and turn my head upside down, and again focus mainly on the middle of the hair and the ends. It has a lot of nutrients and vitamins that help prevent damage and help maintain a healthy scalp. Then I follow up with the Moroccan Curling Perfection Defining Cream. I take a small amount of the product and basically brush it through my hair with my fingers just to distribute it evenly, and again focusing in the middle of the hair and the ends. Lastly, I use castor oil to seal in all of the moisture, and basically just do the same as I did with the cream. I pour a little bit of the product. It might look like I poured a lot on my hand, but I promise you it was a little bit. And just focus on the middle, the ends, and just massage a little bit my scalp. For some reason I forgot to do this while I was recording the video, but I do scrunch my hair using the microfiber towel or the cotton t-shirt that I use to dry my hair, in order to add a little bit more texture and volume to the hair. This last step I don't do as often. I only diffuse my hair whenever I have to be somewhere and I don't feel like walking out of the house looking like I just had a bucket of water thrown on my head. But most of the time I will probably just let my hair air dry. That's all for my winter curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.